in this video, I'm going to talk about the Namya's Natural Skincare Lip Serum. I have been using this serum for more than 2 years now. If you go back to my previous videos and check it, I have done an unboxing, first impression review after a year, review after 6 months, all of those videos, and now I'm back with the review after 2 years of using the Namya's Lip Serum. So before moving into the video, let me tell you about my lips. I have a very dry and sensitive lips. By sensitive, I mean extremely sensitive lips. My lips are dry, cracked and flaky, and it also bleeds sometimes. So when that happens, when the peeling of the skin happens, a flaking skin on my lips, I used to get a irritation, burning sensation, and it is so very painful on my lips. So this is my lip condition and I get this every week. So by sensitive, I mean really sensitive, guys, truly sensitive, extremely sensitive lips. Very few lip balms in this world work for me, not all those fancy lip balms like Maybelline Baby Lips or Lakme's lip balms, nothing really work for me. Even the dermatologist curated lip balms that are available in the market does not work for me. So this is my lip condition and let's go on with the review. So what did this Namyaa lip serum done to my lips? So let me go to the claims one by one and I will tell you guys if it did that to me or not. The first claim of this lip serum is that it lightens dark lips because of smoking. I don't smoke, so I really don't know if it lightens dark lips because of smoking. So look at the detailing, they're very particular. If you get dark lips because of smoking, then it might reduce that. That's what they say. So I don't smoke, so I'm not really sure about that. So the second point is repairs and restores the damages caused to your lips. Guys, which is really true, guys. I've been using this for 2 years. I have a lip condition that gets painful. I get that itchy feeling. I get the irritation, burning sensation, everything happening on my lips. So this is the only one product that heals my lips, that gets into my lip skin and heals the damages that has been done. I use this lip balm like an ointment. So let me tell you something. I even went to a dermatologist in my childhood during my school days to treat this extremely sensitive lips, and she gave me an ointment which is kind of similar to the consistency of the Namya's lip serum. I use this lip serum like an ointment. Whenever my lips are like burning or itching or it's flaky, I'll use this at night. I go to sleep. The next morning, boom, everything will fall in place. So the second point is brightens and evens out the skin tone of your lips to natural pink. Even this I can't really say because, as I told you, I use it like a treatment. So for treatment purposes, I use it like once a week or 2 weeks once. That's how I use it. So that's when I get the pain and irritation on my lips, and that's when I use this. I use my regular daily lip balms for the rest of the day. Only 2 weeks once or once a week I use this. So I really can't say if it brightens and evens out the skin tone of the lips to natural pink, because maybe you need to use it every single day to see that difference. I will also read you the comments of my previous videos to let you know, guys, what happened to the other people who use this lip balm. Lip serum. The next point is moisturizes and heals chapped lips, guys. Again, so true. Heals chapped lips. Yes, this is really true. If you see the consistency of this lip serum, it's not like any other lip serum that is available in the market. Look at the consistency. This is how the lip serum is, guys. It is like a lotion, your body butter or your body lotion kind of a consistency. It is so thick and it is so well moisturizing on the lips. So when I have the dry and flaky lips, nothing works on my lips, guys. No lip balm or a lip serum, lip oils, lip conditioner, lip scrubs, nothing works on my lips except this one. This is the consistency that would work on extremely sensitive lips. So if you have some extremely sensitive lip, nothing works on your lips, then definitely try this Namya's lip serum. I love this consistency. I love this texture. I love this formula that works so really well on your lips. So looking at the texture of this lip serum, you might think when applied on lips, this might take a long time to get absorbed. You are wrong. This absorbs immediately onto your lips. It doesn't leave any white cast like such. On your lips, it gets absorbed very quickly. Your lip skin will like suck the product in, and once it is sucked in, you will feel very relaxed and comfortable. So when I have that flaky skin on my lips, I apply this lip balm and it did burn a little bit because this is like an ointment, guys. So what happens when you put your ointment on a fresh wound? It burns a little bit, isn't it? It burns for a few seconds, but then it gets deeply to the skin. It works fine. That's how exactly this one also works. So when I have chapped lips, the bleeding also happens. So when I apply this, it burns for like 20 seconds. After that, the burning sensation is completely over and starts to heal. I did try everything. From like natural organic lip balms, from Instagram stores, from famous dermatologist in Chennai. I did try everything, but nothing could beat this Namyaa lip serum. Those lip balms, those lip products, those lip balms, those lip oils made my lips even more worse than actually healing it. Only this one worked for me. So moving on to the last claim, it says 100% natural. So let me read the ingredients for you guys. It has extra virgin olive oil, peppermint oil, vitamin E, aloe vera and licorice extracts, and all those natural ingredients into them. So I don't have to worry what I'm putting on my lips. I really like this tube packaging, guys. It is very convenient to use, and this is 30 gram of the product. I've never seen a lip balm or a lip serum with 30 gram of product. This would last up to a year, and this costs rupees 250 originally at the Nykaa, but you can always get this on discount. Even right now, this is at 30% discount, and you get this at 168 rupees, which I think is a steal deal. So this is also not tested on animals. So let me read you the comments that I got in my previous Namyaa skincare video. So the first comment is from Ridhima Tips. She says, trust me, this is a decent item to contribute for your lips, which is again so true. The second comment from Ashika, she says, my lips are well hydrated and soft, and moreover, from the first use, it slightly turned my lips pink. That's a good thing to hear. The next comment says, awesome to use and good for lips. So my final thoughts on the lip serum would be, if you're looking for a lip serum that would actually work, not just coats your lips with some balm or just gives you a tint, gives you that nice colorful tint, but not actually healing your damaged lips, then definitely go for this Namyaa's lip serum. This acts as a treatment, this acts as an ointment, this is actually like an ointment, and this is like a must have in everybody's vanity, I would say. Especially if you have sensitive lips, this is your savior. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. The link will be in the description box. Do check that out. I will also put the links of my other videos about the Namyaa lip serum. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.